5 Biosecurity Guidelines for Poultry Farms. All vehicles coming into and out of farms to go through. Two-step disinfection measures. All visitors to poultry farms to wear protective clothing and shoes, and to be sanitized. All side gates and back doors of poultry houses, without anterooms, to be locked and closed. Change into farm boots and sanitize hands at the anteroom of poultry houses. All machinery and equipment transported into poultry houses, and the transportation routes, are to be disinfected. Machinery and equipment shall be thoroughly cleaned and disinfected before and after use. Print the action items on stickers and attach them on concerned spots on farm. Attach the stickers at the entrance and on the anterooms of flock buildings, side gates and other facilities inside the farm. Any breaches of the control measures in the guidelines above, identified during inspections, will be subject to a strict penalty. Protect farms from spread of AI and comply with the guidelines.